How to make friend list private on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Facebook application. Then go to your menu bar from your top right corner. Now go to settings. After that, scroll down and then go to profile details. Go back and then go to followers and public content. Now go to who can see your followers on timeline and then make it only me. Save it and also go to who can see the people, pages and list you follow. Select only me, save it and you will be done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.